Is your Aisensy contact list overflowing and in need of a serious spring cleaning? Let's jump right into how to delete contacts from Aisensy. Ensuring a streamlined and accurate database first, log into your Aisensy account. You'll land on the main dashboard. Next, locate and click on the Contacts section. In the left-hand navigation menu, this will take you to your complete contact list. Use the search bar to find the specific contact you wish to delete. Type in their name, phone number, or any other identifying information you have. Once you've found the contact, click on their profile to open their detailed information. Look for the three dots or the ellipsis icon, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the contact profile. Click on the three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Delete Contact. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the contact. This is your last chance to double-check. If you're absolutely sure, click the Delete button in the confirmation window. The contact will then be permanently removed from your Aisensy contact list. Repeat these steps for any other contacts you wish to delete. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Aisensy contact list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks.